This is the next minifigure for this build. Or is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So, no hiccups along the way. I mean, new minifigures for the build, you think? I don't know. Okay, until tomorrow, hit that subscribe button, and see you guys then. Later, Joe Lego out.